First thing I'd like to ask you is just how this is going to change, particularly the talk has been how it's going to change the farming landscape in Mozambique. What are going to be the crucial changes that happen in that space?
Well, in this particular case, what we are doing is that we are enlisting smallholder farmers to join up and participate in an agricultural scheme that is kind of what we call agroforestry, where they both will be cultivating trees and plants. And then in a rotating crop system, they'll be producing foods, different types, and cassava. The cassava will then be used for the production of biofuel. The biofuel, in turn, will be used for cooking stoves in Maputo.
Stian, just in terms of cost, how does this compare to other fuels?
Today, what it will replace in Maputo is charcoal. 80% of the households in Maputo uses charcoal to cook, and so it will replace charcoal. Actually, we have had the verification bodies verify that for each cook stove there's a 4-ton CO2 mitigation, and actually this CO2 mitigation has been sold ahead to Bank of America. So you can say part of what is driving the economics of the project is the fact that it's so good to the environment in terms of CO2 reduction and reduction of deforestation. Is addressed as well.
Stian, I would like to ask you, do you have plans to distribute to other countries on the continent?
Yeah, but here and now, of course, this is we are starting now, and I think it's vitally important that we make sure that this is will survive for the next 2-3 years, and then the idea is at the same time to expand the number of sites, operations in first in Mozambique, but the opportunity in many parts of sub-Saharan Africa are huge. This can be basically replicated thousands of places in Africa south of Sahara.
Thank you so much for joining us.